I study in order to rest in the Central English ISC. First day, the most impressive thing to me is that teacher. His name is Dũng Việt Hoàng and he is an overseas student. He has lived in America for years. He can speak English like American. I think he's a good man, handsome and so funny. Mm, in Central English, I actually have three courses. The first is pronunciation class. The second is communicate one class. The third is communicate two class. If you register, you not only learn English, you will join useful activities. Every week on the Friday, I actually have an event for everyone. Each year event speak English, not speak Vietnamese, and I feel so happy whenever I went to event.